Hello, and welcome to the new student orientation for online students. For Blackboard support, please email bbsupport@fnu.edu. Anytime you send us an email, please make sure to include your student ID number with your full name. What is Blackboard? Blackboard is the LMS or Learning Management System that you'll be using here at Florida National University. Its modern design makes it simple and user-friendly. Due to its responsive design, the interface adjusts to fit any computer, tablet, or smartphone. Recommended web browsers to access Blackboard would be Google Chrome or Firefox, since Safari and Microsoft Edge might give you some issues. There are two ways to log into your Blackboard account. One way would be going to the FNU website, which would be fnu.edu, clicking on Program drop-down menu, and then Blackboard Login. The way we recommend to log in is going directly to the fnu.blackboard.com website. This gives you direct access to your courses and resource centers. Logging into Blackboard. Once you go to the FNU page for Blackboard, you'll be greeted by this login page. You'll click where it says sign in with third-party accounts and then click on Student FNU email login. After, you'll be prompted to put your student email followed by your password. You'll be using the same username and password as your student email. Your Blackboard, student email, and student portal will have the same username and same password. Please note that in order to access the following accounts, you must download the Authenticator app on your mobile device and add your student email account. You can go to the App Store or Play Store, depending on what phone you have, and look up Microsoft Authenticator. You will download the one with this logo. It is completely free. You can scan this QR code with your mobile device, and it'll take you to a short YouTube video that will show you how to install and set up your Microsoft Authenticator app. If after following these instructions, you're still having issues to log into your Authenticator app, do not worry. You can always send us an email to bbsupport@fnu.edu with your student ID number, letting us know that you're having issues setting up your Authenticator app. I will be more than happy to help you. Once you successfully log in to your Blackboard account, you'll be greeted by your courses. Now, if you log into your Blackboard account before your courses start, you will not see any class on your Blackboard account. That is completely normal. You'll see your courses on your Blackboard account once classes start. Here on the left-hand side menu, we have the organization page. Once you click on it, you get student resources within Blackboard. We have 24/7 tutoring with tutor.com. Here, you have access to connect with a tutor now. You can create an appointment for later on. You can also drop off any essay or research paper for review before you submit it to your professor. And you can also do a math review. You're also able to do a practice quiz and do self-test prep such as LSAT, the MCAT, and the NCLEX. Again, this is fully included in your tuition, and you do not need any username and password for this. You just click on the link within your Blackboard, and it'll take you directly to your tutor.com account. Cengage resources. Once you have access to your courses, your professor will include an e-textbook link. It will have e-textbook followed by the name of your book for your course. Once you click on it, you'll have access to your Cengage textbook, the textbook for your courses. Now, since you are a new student, you will need to create an account first. Once you do so, you need to make sure that you create your account with your FNU student email. If you create an account with your personal email, you will run into issues and will not be able to access it. So please make sure when you're making your Cengage account to create it with your FNU student email. We have the Blackboard orientation course. This is an optional course and it is self-enrolled. It is a great tool for anybody that has never used Blackboard before. Please keep in mind that this is not mandatory. You are welcome to self-enroll anytime you like. Now, I will mention, if you start doing the orientation course and then halfway through decide that you do not want to continue on with the course, there is no issue. This is not going to affect your grades or your GPA or go on your records. It is simply a tool for anybody that wants to use it. Get help button. Once you click on that button, you're able to send us an email or create a ticket with us. You will just fill out the fields that it asks you for, your first name and your last name and your student ID number, and there you'll let us know what issue you are experiencing. But the best way to contact us, we do recommend to just send us an email, again, to bbsupport@fnu.edu. Student email and student portal access. If you click there, you have access to your student email and portal. And then again, if you already have access to your student Blackboard account, you have access to your email and student portal. As mentioned before, they are the same username and password. We have the Learn Research Database or online library. This is kind of like tutor.com. Once you click on the link, it'll take you directly to your account. There you have access to hundreds of articles and resources that you might need for any essay or research paper or any assignment for your writing class. Fully free. Now, anytime you click on any of your courses, they'll look something like this or similar. You'll have week 1 through 8. You would just click on the corresponding week that you're in. For week 1, you click on week 1, and usually your professor has a folder letting you know what they need you to do for that week. We recommend that you check your announcements at least once or twice a week just to be updated with any changes or anything of that sort within your course. We have the gradebook. Once you click on gradebook, you're able to see the due date for your assignments and also just keep track of your grades for the assignments. Now, if you want to see your final grades at the end of the course, at the end of the term, or at the end of the semester, you're able to do so not in Blackboard, but in your student portal. Again, your final grades will be available on your FNU student portal. For messages, you're able to send messages to anybody within your course, including your professor. If you only want to send an email to your professor or a message, you can just click where it says course faculty and click on your professor's name. Now, we do recommend that if you want to send any specific message that's important to you and you might want to keep, do not use messages on Blackboard, since unfortunately they cannot be recovered once they get deleted once the course ends. So if you want to keep any important messages between you and your professor, then we recommend that you use your student email, FNU student email. Students, please ensure to complete the first academic assessment by the end of the first week, as this is imperative to your participation within your online course. Failure to do so may result in being removed from your course. The first academic assessment you'll see in every single one of your courses. You'll need to complete this assignment before continuing on to doing any other assignments. This is a way for your professors to make sure that you're in the class and to take attendance. For Blackboard Collaborate, in order to utilize Blackboard Collaborate, you will log into your Blackboard course, select BB Collaborate option on the right-hand side menu of your course, and click on Course Room to join. Google Chrome and Firefox are the recommended web browsers. Safari and Microsoft Edge might not be compatible, and technical difficulties may arise. Student Guide to Cengage. Again, you will click on your Cengage link on your course, and then you will click where it says Create Account, fill in your first name, your date of birth, your time zone, and also include your FNU student email. After you finish your registration process, you will have to click your Welcome to Cengage email that was sent to your FNU email address on the registration screen, and then you will have to click Activate Cengage Account. to set up your password. After you set up your password, you're all good with your Cengage account. I do want to mention that most, if not all, Cengage emails go to the junk folder. So always please make sure if you do not see it on your inbox, just go to your junk folder on your FNU student email account, and there you will be able to see your Cengage activation email. Last but not least, we have the Conquistador Survival Guide. Who can you contact to get help with Blackboard? Again, that will be here us with bbsupport@fnu.edu. For student email and student portal, we can also help you out with that, but the Student Services Department are also able to help you to log in to any of your 3 accounts. Also, they're able to also help you with your Microsoft Authenticator. Either Student Services or the Blackboard Department can help you reset your Authenticator app or your Microsoft password. Who can you contact to get help with scheduling? That will be the Registration Department, registrars@fnu.edu. If the first day of courses you log into your Blackboard and you still see that you do not have any courses, or you see a course you're not supposed to be registered for, please contact the Registration Department. They're the ones that are able to help you. They can add or drop you for any courses and any of that sort. I want to thank you all for being here today or watching this video. I hope it was of great help, and I wish you the best here at your career in Florida National University.